Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Science with Dhara. Today we will be discussing an interesting topic. We are all familiar to that topic. It is fabric from fiber. Let us discuss the importance of clothing. The primary function of clothing is to improve the comfort of the wearer. In hot climates, clothing provides protection from sunburn or wind damage, while in cold climates, its thermal insulation properties are generally more important. It protects the wearer from rough surfaces, rash-causing plants, insects bites, splinters, thorns, and prickles by providing a barrier between the skin and the environment. Further, they can provide a hygienic barrier, keeping infections and toxic materials away from the body. There are many types of fibers like silk, linen, satin, wool, cotton, jute, acrylic, polyester, and many more. There are two kinds of fibers, which are natural fibers and synthetic fibers. We get natural fibers mainly from plants and animals. Let us discuss about animal fibers. Wool is one of the animal fibers. Wool is obtained from the body coat of some animals that have fine and soft hair close to their skin. This body coat of fine and soft hair is called fleece. We get the fleece of animals like sheep, camel, yak, goat for making wool fibers and woolen clothes. Although wool is obtained from the fleece of many animals, sheep wool is most commonly available wool. Varieties of wool: Angora, Pashmina, Shahtush. There are many more varieties of wool, but these three are most common varieties of wool. Pashmina is mostly used in making shawls. So here is a question that how do woolen clothes protect us from cold in winter? The answer to this question is wool has a natural layer of keratin, a protein all animal hair contains, which helps maintain body temperature. Since air conducts heat, this means the warmth you might generate through exercise or general movement also gets trapped by wool, which keeps you even warmer. Making wool from fleece. Let us now learn about the details of the process of changing fleece into wool. This involves the following steps. Shearing. This is the first step. The fleece of sheep, along with a very thin layer of dead skin, is removed from the body. Second step is covering. The sheared fleece contains dirt. It is cleaned by washing with washing powders in hot water in large tanks. Suitable machines are also used for this purpose. This process is called scouring. Sorting. The process of separating hair of different textures from the fleece is called sorting. The sorted fibers are then scoured again and then dried. Fourth step is dyeing. The natural hair of sheep is white, brown, or black. The raw fibers are therefore dyed in different colors. Fifth and the last step is spinning. The raw and dyed fibers are then twisted together to make threads called yarn. The yarn threads may be long or short in size. The longer yarn threads are usually knitted to make sweaters, mufflers, caps, gloves, socks, etc. The shorter threads are woven to make woolen fabrics which are used for making coats, trousers, jackets and shawls. These are some of the woolen clothes. Silk. Silk is another animal fiber. Silk is obtained from silkworms which feed on the leaves of mulberry plant. The rearing of silkworms for obtaining silk is known as sericulture. Different varieties of silk are obtained from different types of silkworms. Obtaining silk from silkworm. Let us learn the following procedure. Rearing of silkworm. A female silkworm lays hundreds of eggs which are stored at a suitable temperature. These eggs hatch to produce silkworms. The silkworms are kept in clean boxes where they feed on mulberry leaves for 25 to 30 days and grow in size. Then the silkworm secretes a liquid. This liquid hardens on coming in contact with air and changes into cocoon. It covers itself completely with cocoon. The silkworm develops into a silk moth inside the cocoon. This is the life cycle of a silk moth. Second step is healing. The cocoons are collected and exposed to steam. The silk fibers then separate out from cocoon. This process is called reeling. Third step is dyeing. The silk fibers are then dyed in different colors. Fourth and the last step is spinning and weaving. The silk fibers are then spun into threads which are woven into silk threads. Do you know? China ranks first in the world in silk production. India is also a leading producer of wide varieties of. Till then, take care and like and share my video and subscribe to my channel.